CJM stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be breaking down all this in this short and brief 1-minute video. I mean, ultimately, just looking at CJM, I quite appreciated where we're at and all that good jazz. But like ultimately, randomly buying, it's not going to be happening, you know, and I've talked about this so many times before. So how's all this really going to look like? Well, first of all, this does make sense if it made all-time lows. Did it? Yeah. Not really. These are just lows that have not been hit since 2020, right? So that's a bit tough. Honestly, I mean, yes, I've done 41,000 videos, 5 years in the process. The only thing that will actually make sense for me still is a double break. So here's the first break. Unless there's breaks of 115 bucks, this is no way near bullish for me. And I do think I'll just stay away from this and get back when I have more data, because this is really not something that I'm willing to touch. So if you want to learn how to make it 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.